Hey everybody, I would like to show you a small trick on how to optimize images, especially pictures that have transparent parts. An example of website that uses this type of images is squareup.com. Here, if you click these arrows, you'll notice that the top layers move individually from the background, which can only mean that these pictures are transparent PNGs. Now, in my experience, they tend to be pretty big in size, and we can easily see this here. There we go, 372 kilos. That's pretty big, So I'm guessing there has to be something we can do to decrease this. And we're just gonna drag this to Photoshop. And here we have this feature called Posterize. As you notice, it messes up the image pretty bad, but you'll see that there's a slider here called levels, which if you move to the right, you'll notice that the image gets better and better. Now I have to find the sweet spot where it's okay, where the image doesn't seem to lose quality anymore, and I think 44 is it. The only problem is we have this gradient banding on the iPad frame, but we can fix that pretty easily. We just duplicate this original layer, we'll drag it on top of the posterize effect, and here we're gonna mask this. We're just gonna display the part that we're interested in, the iPad frame. So now with the brush tool, we're just gonna highlight, basically reveal the part that we want, the frame. Just slide over here. There we go. Nice and good, just to make sure we have everything covered. And this seems pretty good to me. You notice in the layer palette the part that we have highlighted, and we can proceed to save for web. Here we go. We have it's a PNG. We have transparency, and if you look at the size now, it's 239. A pretty big improvement from 372. This is already good, so we're gonna save this. I'm gonna call it square min. Hit save. And before we finish, there's just one more thing I always do after exporting images from Photoshop, and that is to pass them through ImageOptim. This is an app which includes a lot of tools that remove unused chunks from an image. So you see it's already started working. Usually it's pretty fast, but considering this is a pretty big image, it might take some time. And a few seconds later we have an 8% win, which is pretty good. So now we have 225 kilos, and I think the original image was 372, so that's 150 kilos win. And as you see, the image is still high quality, it's just smaller in size. So thanks for watching, and I hope you use this technique pretty soon.